Do you know that?
20 interesting facts about weights.
Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest video updates. Do you know that?
A bear in hibernation loses up to 25% of its body weight.
Do you know that?
The skeleton of an African elephant accounts for about 15% of its body.
Do you know that?
You have to eat 5 kg of potatoes to put on 0.5 kg of weight. A potato has no more calories than an apple.
Do you know that?
The average person consumes over a ton of food and drink each year.
Do you know that?
Americans eat 35,000 tons of pasta a year.
Do you know that?
Crocodiles swallow rocks to help them dive deeper.
Do you know that?
The bones of a pigeon weigh less than its feathers.
Do you know that?
Each year there is 1 ton of cement poured for each man, woman and child.
Do you know that?
The US shreds 7,000 tons of worn out currency each year.
Do you know that?
People who work at night tend to weigh more.
Do you know that?
Every year the sun loses 360 million tons.
Do you know that?
The shell is 12% of an egg's weight.
Do you know that?
Average elephant produces 22 kg of dung each day.
Do you know that?
The average person sheds 0.7 kg of skin each year.
Do you know that?
The average woman will consume over 2.7 kg of lipstick in their lifetime.
Do you know that?
Due to gravitational effect, your weight is slightly less than when the moon is directly overhead.
Do you know that?
Switzerland eats the most chocolate, equating to 10 kilos per person per year.
Do you know that?
The human body of a 70 kg person contains 0.2 milligram of gold.
Do you know that?
A platypus can eat its weight in worms every day.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, like the videos, comment on the videos, share the videos.
All the content used was searched from google.com. All the images used in the video are taken from pexels.com and unsplash.com. And big thanks to all whose image has been used in the making of video. And sorry, not able to use individual names on the video. Thanks once again.